You're looking for a nice cup for your cappuccino, coffee, hot chocolate, hot milk, whatever you drink. If you're looking for a 4-piece set cappuccino, this set may be right for you. From the company Sweese, this is what we get. Well packaged, it comes very well protected. It's pulled out of a cardboard box. As you can see, the cups are protected by cardboard and they're very simply unwrapped. On the bottom of the unit, you're going to have a separate container of the saucer, also very well packed, and they are going to be separated. A little difficult at first to get them out of the boxes, but as you take your time, they will come out. This is what the saucer and the cup looks like, nice and close up. The tops and the bottoms, and they have their logo stamp on the bottom. Any kitchen product you get, please wash them. They're dishwasher safe. You can take this and wipe it down with a cloth, a wet towel. Any kitchen product you get, please wash it down first for the first time use. Very simple to install. The cups fit nicely, one on top of the other, and the saucers go in the bottom. Real simple indeed. The unit, stainless steel color, metal, white, a little off-white, not pure white. Holds in the container, just beautiful for any type of room. A restaurant, a coffee diner, your kitchen, in a playroom, in a den, wherever you're going to serve coffee. I hope this product may be right for you. Serve your guests, bring the rest to the table, and start placing down your service cups to your guests.
That's a really nice set. Very pretty, very decorative to keep on the counter. How does it feel to drink from it?
Drinking from the cup, it's still hot, it keeps warm, it's ceramic material, porcelain, it's got a nice sticker. And I'll show you on the bottom of the cup of the actual sticker there. It's really a nice, good cup of coffee, about 8 ounces to drink out. The cappuccino, oh man, it's great for just about anything imaginable. For small spaces, microwavable safe, dishwasher safe, you name it. I hope this product will find a great place in your home, wherever you're looking to place one. Have fun with your product, serving your guests, and I hope you enjoy yours when you get it. Have a great day, everybody.